Okay guys, this is our Alpha Plus reading guided practice 3.4.R.3 video. Please follow along in your book on page 208 to page 2010. Remember, this is context clues. We're going to find the meaning of unknown words. People who work with fire astound others with their talent. They are also people who hoax the audience into thinking they are really breathing fire. Fire breathers use special elements to make first breathing look probable. A special sponge drenched in a special liquid is placed in the cheek. He or she then blows hard onto a flame, making it bigger and grander than just breathing on it. The flames become huge and the audience claps with excitement. It is the fumes that are in the cheek from the sponge that are doing the work. The performer can also pretend to eat the fire. The crowd responds with the same excitement as before, even though it is a trick. Number 1, the word astound means. Let's look up here. People who work with fire astound others with their talent. So, if you are astounding someone with your talent, you are amazing them with that talent. So the answer is B, to amaze. Number 2, the word hoax means, let's find hoax. They are also people who hoax the audience into thinking they're really breathing fire. So, if we are hoaxing people into really thinking we breathe fire, we're tricking them. So 2 is A, to trick. Number 3, the word audience means, we know what an audience is. Audience is a group of people watching something, because if they're over there watching the fire breathers. Okay, let's look over here at number 4. The word elements means, let's look over at elements. Fire breathers use special elements to make fire breathing look probable. Let's see. Is it lyrical poetry, hair products, languages, or liquids or ingredients? So remember they talked about the sponge in the cheek. That's the element they're talking about. So it's going to be D, liquids or ingredients. Number 5, the word probable means. Probable, make fire breathing look probable. So if it's probable, it's likely. A. Number 6, the word drenched means. Let's look and see. Special sponge drenched in a special liquid is placed in the cheek. So I know there's a sponge in my cheek and I know it's covered in a liquid. So I'm going to say it's not rich, it's not swallowed, and it's not baked. So it has to be B, soaked. Number 7, the word fumes means. It is the fumes that are in the cheek from the sponge that are doing the work. Now, take a deep breath and blow it out. Are you blowing out water? Are you blowing out a solid? No and no. So I'm blowing out a gas because air is a gas. So fumes has to mean gases. 7 is C. All right, let's look at page 210, last page. The word performer means. Now, are we talking about someone who wears perfume in that story? No. Are we talking about people who watch in that story? Yes, but we know that's audience. Are we talking about someone who pays? I never saw anything about paying. Are we talking about someone who entertains? It's going to be B, someone who entertains. Number 9, the word responds means. Now, if I tell you to respond to me, am I wanting you to just sit there and stare at me blankly or give me something to drink? No, I want you to react. So it's going to be C for number 9. How do context clues help readers find the meaning of the word? So, how do context clues help readers find the meaning of the word? Well, we know that context clues are the words around your unknown word. So, context clues help readers find the meaning of an unknown word by using the words around the unknown word to find the meaning. And that is it. Thank you guys.